This is your first listing on Amazon with Claude, built from your seller brain. You paste rough notes on one product, and you get a listing that reads well and publishes only what your seller brain verified. No jargon, no code. It takes about 5 minutes to build. Watch it work first, then do it on your own store. The whole move is 2 steps. You work inside a Claude project, and that project holds your seller brain, the one page your store runs on. You paste rough notes on one product, scribbles and fragments are fine, then ask for a listing that uses only what your seller brain verified. Watch it once, then you will do it on yours. You open a Claude project for your store and paste your rough notes. A handful of scribbled fragments about silicone stretch lids. That is the whole input. One prompt later, here's the listing. The title comes straight from your seller brain, locked word for word. Claude uses it exactly, instead of inventing one. 5 benefit bullets, each written to what the buyer gets. Sizes that fit. Food-grade silicone. A leak-resistant seal. Dishwasher and freezer safe. And it publishes only what your seller brain verified. Your note said replaces plastic wrap. Claude left it out, because your seller brain never verified that green claim. Now line up your roughest notes on one product and paste them whole. No tidying first. Ask Claude for a front-loaded title, 5 benefit bullets, and a short description, which takes about 5 minutes to build. Today, before your seller brain exists, you get a rough draft to read back against your live page. Once you build your seller brain next lesson, this same step is where Claude keeps only what it verified. Here is the mistake to avoid. A generic writing tool prints whatever you feed it, including a line like replaces plastic wrap, and an unqualified green claim like that can get your listing flagged. Claude did the opposite. It left the claim out because your seller brain never verified it. The safety is built in, not bolted on. Feed the brain only claims you can back up and let it drop the rest. Messy notes to a listing that publishes only what your seller brain verified, and that took about 5 minutes. Next, you build the seller brain that made it possible, the one page your whole store runs on.